And good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update for the futures trading call room for Friday, March 5th. I'm going to run through everything here really quick from left to right in no particular time order. We had 7 total trades, 6 winners, 1 break even, and that was spread across 2 markets, the ES and the NQ. Again, 7 trades, 6 winners, 1 break even, and no losing trades. And again, I'm going to run through everything here from left to right. The first trade we had was in the ES. It was a beautiful setup. It was a classic setup. We had an RS trade after the 948 candle, 37.90. It said as soon as the candle get closed, 37.91 it closed at, get short. And people were short 90.50, 90 quarter, 90.75. And that trade was beautiful. It went all the way down. We were looking for flat, which was 65. It actually went down to 60, but we did have a target at 60 there, but that's from 91. So this is a beautiful trade. I mean, the trade went down 25 points. 25 points. It went 30, but 25 to the target. That's points, not ticks in the ES. It was a sick trade, and it never looked back. Red, red, red. Then we had here another opportunity where I said, okay, they're going to take this thing down. We had lower targets. I told everybody before we got in the trade, I said, first time, at least go half size. It's not going to be easy, but they're coming down. Okay, so we got into the trade right here at 65. First time we added, that was our break even, was the first time. Second time the trade went down, it made 2 points. And then, of course, we're moving our stop down. So, there was no follow through after that. It closed, and then it came back up. When it came back up, I told everybody, if it comes back down, hit it again, because we were looking for down here. We didn't quite get that, but we hit it again at 65. And again, it just went on that initial push. It went down about 8 points to 57. And of course, we could have kept hitting it, but we didn't. I think we ended up in the NASDAQ somewhere, but let me take a look. Yeah, we were in the NASDAQ. Instead of hitting it down here, we hit it in the NASDAQ. So that was our ES opportunities. In the NASDAQ, we took, yes, in the NASDAQ, we had 3 beautiful opportunities. The first one was a ZL/death candle combo. We got long on the 939 candle. I called it at 75.50, 75.50. The trade went up over 80 ticks. Again, guys, it doesn't look like a lot, but it was down here, and it was about 80 ticks straight up. Of course, you're going to go to entry and or go for a total break even, and that would have been all you would have been able to get, but not before it went 80 ticks. Then chopped around there, went up, came back down. We were in the ES, of course, and then we took a beautiful setup in the NASDAQ, and that was right at 11.09. What was it? 11.09. 11.09. I called a understanding trade short 12.322 quarter, and that trade went all the way down. Went down from 322 over 100 points. We did have a target there about 75 points, which was 300 ticks. It went 400, but again, not everybody got every last drop, and that was basically the bottom. Once that happened, I told everybody the market did not have to go any longer. I'd be more aggressive with longs if they set up, and we did get a beautiful setup in the marketplace. 12 to 70. We grabbed it on the 1145 candle. And again, even if you just got the initial push up, that went from 270 to 338. So that was another 60 points, 50 points, another couple hundred ticks just on this up move. Literally within 2 minutes, you got a couple hundred ticks. Now, some people were able to hold through all this with at least a runner, because we were in literally way down here. And you'll just see it went all the way up. We did have other opportunities by way of 2 S plays and an understanding trade. Of course, the room was closed, so we didn't have any entries, but I told everybody they could stay in if they wanted to. But again, most people were out after that. Sick day. Great way to end the week. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. We'll see everybody back next week in the room. Do not miss us. You will not be disappointed.